Welcome to all students. Dictation exercise 13. Start will be 5 seconds. The girl had expressed a marked reluctance to stay with her father. Full stop. The High Court was of the opinion that the children had developed long standing affection towards their maternal grandfather, aunt, and uncles. Full stop. It will take a while before they develop the same towards their stepmother. Full stop. The sex of the minor girl who would soon face the difficulties of attaining adolescence is an important consideration, though not a conclusive one. Full stop. She will benefit from the guardians of her maternal aunt if custody is given to the respondent, which the appellant will be in no position to provide. Full stop. Further, there is a special bonding between the children, and it is desirable that they stay together with their maternal grandfather, uncles, and aunt. Full stop. Change. In case of custody of the minor children, the family law, that is, the Mohammedan law, would apply in place of the Act. Full stop. Considering the provision under Section 356 of the Mohammedan law, the High Court had held that the preferential rights regarding the custody of the minor children rests with the maternal grandparents. Full stop. After making a doubtful proposition that in case of a conflict between personal law and welfare of the children, the former shall prevail, the High Court held that in the case at hand there is no such conflict. Full stop. For the reasons aforementioned, the High Court, by its impugned order, set aside the order of the Family Court, Bangalore, which vacated the interim injunction issued against the appellant. Full stop. It is this order of the High Court which is challenged before us by way of special leave petition, which on grant of leave has been heard by us in the present of the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the parties. Full stop. It was the contention of the appellant before us that the act will apply to the present case because there is a conflict between the professional preferential guardian in Mohammedan law and the act. Full stop. It was pointed out that while deciding the custody of the minor children, the welfare of the children had to be taken into consideration and that it was guaranteed by the act. Full stop. They have placed their reliance on a case of Rajasthan. Full stop. The Rajasthan High Court in the seated case held that where the propositions of personal law are in conflict with the provisions of Guardians and Wards Act, the latter shall prevail over the former. Full stop. Thank you.